Hi, okay, let's talk about our MART 145 web design HTML project. So let's see, basically we want to put together a site using HTML to help reinforce those HTML and CSS skills, also some of the folder structure and linking sort of skills as well. So we'll create one website, and now I went ahead and put together a professional portfolio example, but you can go ahead and use you can do a portfolio, you can do a non-for-profit business, a business, anything you really want as long as it meets the criteria. So we want to develop a narrative, what the site's goals are, the target audience, and site description. We'll do a wireframe or a mock-up. Okay, so initially, let's see. So this is what, well, let's go to there. This is kind of what my mock-up looks like, and I probably need a little more. I mean, this is a quick example. My mock-up is a header image, navigation, body, and footer. My narrative will be simply a portfolio about me, and then just kind of a quick description. I'll have a home page, a bio page, a philosophy or teaching philosophy, resume, vita, projects and contact pages. There are external links on the footer as well. So that's really kind of a little bit about what that mock-up would look like. Probably a little more than that would be better than my quick mock-up using PowerPoint. Browser compatibility. Also test your site on different browsers. And again, make on a particular site, just go ahead and grab a screenshot of the particular browser and show that it's working. And of course, these are the narrative is required, but the mock-up, the compatibility, and usability testing are all extra credit. So for usability testing, you can have somebody else test your site and provide some feedback. For the actual site build, again, you need 5 pages. Basically, homepage, bio, resume, projects, and contact page if you're doing a portfolio. But you can change that around a little bit if you want, as long as you meet the criteria of 5 basic pages. For a business, title, mission, description of service, contact page, and history of business. Again, that doesn't have to be those particular pages, as long as you meet the criteria of 5 basic pages. Originality, layout, navigation. Now I have this navigation put into one slide. This is my file structure. That's what images look like, and probably I would want to include the navigation link structure as well in this type of fashion. So we just want to think about what the directory structure looks like and what the actual navigation structure, the HTML web navigation structure is. So consistency, they all need to look about the same. And let me start going through my particular example, and that is this one. So I went and built this recently, as in this morning, and when we're looking at that folder structure, we're seeing images. Typically is how we put all that together with a number of different files and things. Let's see, hold on. Okay, I think I'm back. Back to consistency. All pages are consistent in layout, navigation, content, and so on and so forth. So with the example I've put together, I have a home page, bio page, teaching philosophy, resume, vita, projects, and then a contact page. So, I would say that meets that consistency criteria. Text, large enough to read and contrasts with the background. Some of this is subjective, obviously. Images, now 5 images total, 1 image per page basically. It doesn't have to be exactly that, 5 images total. And I shorted that one in my own example just a little bit. I put just one image within the teaching philosophy. Audio, at least one audio file must be included in the site. I put a link to an audio file in my bio. So in the bio, I've got an audio file linked up, and then the external, let's see, the video, that's an external video. So just to give you an example of what I linked up. Okay, and it's a great song, classic. So that works, that links up well. The other link goes out to... Hi, I'm Dr. Sean Scott, and welcome to our class at Helena College. That just goes out to our MART 145 course welcome. So there's, it talks about the welcome, but it also has some of the bio information about me as well. Those are the couple of audio and video external links. So Helena College, link at the bottom on the footer there, goes out to the Helena College site. This goes out to the computer technology site on our college's website. Also within my resume and Vita, I just have my CV linked up. So the CV comes up as an external file. So back to home, let's see, what else are we looking for? 2 external links, 1 internal link, and each one of these are actually considered internal links. So it's going to another page within the site. Also, well, and yes. List. So I think here's my list that's included. Let's see, a table. I think I put that in projects. So this is listing all my different projects in the description. Very briefly listed, of course, but that meets a table requirement. Let's see, CSS, an external style sheet. If we go back and look at here and up, that's my portfolio site. So what are we looking? Oh, the CSS. We have the nav footer CSS and portfolio CSS. So those are the external style sheets. That meets that criteria. Form. So I think, yeah, I met all that. In my contact page, so I have contacting Sean, your information, and entering it. I have the radio button, or it could be another checkbox or radio buttons, and a submit button at the bottom. Okay, so and then we validate those, and then with the summarize your final project experience, just respond, and you can put this in a either a text file or a Word doc, and just submit everything together. Probably in a zip would be absolutely perfect. What are the primary differences between developing a site and using a web development service such as Weebly or Wix? List one, and with Wix, I think it was Weebly actually. Weebly. Let's go to Weebly. Weebly. Okay, and then Wix is a really nice site. There's a ton of other ones. I just use these as an example, and you can go to this video and just see how it works, and it'll give you a little bit of information about that comparison. So again, list the one advantage and one disadvantage of developing and building your own site in HTML. Okay, and then list one advantage and one disadvantage of developing a site using a web development service, again like Weebly or Wix. So 6 points with section 3, summarize your final project experience. It's not a final project, HTML project. 64 points with the site build, and obviously that should be the biggest component of this particular assignment. And then a narrative that's required, but also quite a few extra credit points. We have a total of 9 extra credit points regarding the wireframe or the mock-up. And if you just wanted to scratch, for the wireframe, if you just want to scratch things out on a piece of paper, and either scan it or take a picture of it, that's absolutely fine. Browser compatibility, this will work. And then usability testing, just get one of your friends, and here's an example, one of your friends to take a look at your site and provide some feedback. So I think that yep, there we go. I want to go right back to here and right back to here. I think that provides all the information that you will need and explanation for your HTML project. So if you have any questions or comments, please contact me. Thank you.